English workshop. Sing the song. Second, note down pair of rhyming words from the poem. Add one more rhyming word to each pair. Third, guess and discuss the meaning of the following lines. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world hopes and a world of fears.
The poem says, and a smile means friendship to everyone. Give examples of other actions or gestures that mean the same in all parts of the world. Give 3 examples of gestures or actions that have a specific meaning only in certain regions. One such example would be the thumbs up sign. 5. The following sentences were heard in a school on the first day. Use these expressions to prepare simple conversations between 2 or more speakers. You may use the same expressions more than once and add your own lines. Form pairs or groups and present the conversations in the classroom. Write down 3 of the conversations you have prepared, presented, heard. Hello. Hi. So nice to see you again. I'm so glad to see you all. How are you? How did you spend your holiday?